What's going on, guys? Sean here. Gonna do a little shaving today. I've got 4 days of growth. This is the longest I've gone without shaving. I think this entire year. And it's got to come off. So the razor that I'm going to be using to mow this down with is my Frodiur 14 new old stock. It is a 8/8 razor. See if it'll focus in on the 14. Come on, camera. Alright, anyway. This razor has a Janet edge on it from my Nakayama. The brush I'm going to be using tonight is actually a new brush that Eric, the Cajun Blade, recommended to me. It is a Yaqi Badger brush, 26 millimeters. This is going to be the first time I'm using it. The soap I'm going to be using for tonight is Ariana and Evans Oudiction. And the pre-shave I'm going to be using is Glycerin and water. This is actually I want to say the longest hair I've had on my face that I'll be using a straight razor to shave with. I think everything's just been 2 or 3 days, just because I normally shave every day. Ugh. I'm really tired. I've been up since 3 a.m. and it is 11:54, almost midnight. My father had surgery today, and I was there as his driver and caretaker. He had a rotator cuff and bicep repair surgeries. So I was at the hospital for quite some time, we'll just say. Which I'm actually taking care of him right now, and he's doing okay. Which he had a nerve block they put in his neck, so his entire left arm is numb. I can't feel it. So once that starts wearing off, though, and it could be in the middle of the night or early morning, he is not going to be a happy camper. Which I don't blame him. They had to remove a bone spur and shave some part of his shoulder. He completely had the tendon was completely ripped from the bone. It's pretty gnarly. Pre-shave on here. It's crazy how fast my hair grows now. I feel with since I've started straight razor shaving, it grows faster now and it's coarser. Okay, let's get this lather started. I'm a face latherer, which most people know that have been to my channel. I'm just lazy, I guess, when it comes to loading a brush and then whipping up the lather in a bowl. Not that I have anything against anybody that does that. I just... maybe it's... yeah, I don't know. And to think of it, I've never actually really tried it before. Actually, no, I have. I tried it a long time ago. It's a really nice brush. It's got a nice splay. It's got some more backbone than the 24mm one that I have. Dry my hands off, 'cause safety first. Especially when dealing with a straight razor. Alright, let's see how this guy does. Yeah, that's really, really, really nice. Zero effort. The blade is definitely more flexible than my other Frodiur 14 that I have. Oh, that's some nice scraping there. I'm not a master scraper like my Puerto Rican counterpart, Mr. Sean Staplefield. Sheesh. It's a lot of lather. Oh, I've got to take these contacts after I finish making this video. My eyes are super unhappy right now. It's a really nice edge. This razor actually, I got it off of eBay, like I do most of my razors, and it took like 3.5 weeks to get here from France. Saw Sean Staplefield's new honing video that he put up today. That new caudicle that he got is freaking beautiful. Highly recommend anyone that hasn't watched the video go and check it out. It's actually a 2-in-1 video. I was surprised. He did a shaving test with it as well. Or he did a shave. Oh yeah, that's nice. Very nice. I like very much. Blade is just super keen and smooth, this edge. I really want to get a microscope. Start inspecting my edges. Currently all I have is I think a 30 times jeweler's loop. And I can see okay, but nothing like some of these other gentlemen out there have. I really need to start practicing holding the stone in my hand and handheld honing. Especially on, well, I got a new caudicle. I don't know what mine it's from. It's a hybrid though, or it's a Belgian blue, I guess traditional, or yellow caudicle, I guess, on the other side. Mighty fine scrape session that was. Yeah, I'm really happy that I was able to get my hands on this razor. It's absolutely fan-freaking-tastic. Now I want to try some other 8/8 razors. That was awesome. Awesome. Oh yeah, I got a new shaving towel. It's just a microfiber, like, auto detailing towel. Got a 3-pack. I think it was like $12 or something. Not bad. Justifiable in my eyes. So I'm gonna go with some. Yeah, we're gonna use some Thayer's Lavender Witch Hazel. And then we will finish with some Nivea Men Sensitive Cool balm. Alright, well, that was an awesome shave. I hope everyone has a fantastic rest of their week and a great weekend. I will see you guys next time. See ya.